In the heart of a lush garden, there was a bustling town called Freshville, where vegetables and fruits lived together, well, almost. You see, the fruits and vegetables had a little rivalry. The fruits thought they were sweeter and more colorful, while the vegetables bragged about their toughness and versatility. One sunny morning, Mayor Banana called a town meeting. "Listen up, everyone," he said, adjusting his yellow peel. "The annual garden games are tomorrow, and we must choose a team to represent Freshville." The fruits huddled together. "We're faster and more energetic," said Speedy Strawberry. The vegetables scoffed. "We're stronger and more durable," said Buff Broccoli, flexing his green florets. After a heated argument, Mayor Banana had enough. "That's it," he shouted. "Fruits and vegetables must work together this year. No exceptions." The town groaned but reluctantly agreed. The team, Tommy Tomato, confident but always confused about whether he's a fruit or a vegetable. Carla Carrot, the team leader, known for her sharp wit. Berry Banana, a slippery fellow who often caused chaos. Penny Pineapple, spiky on the outside, sweet on the inside, with a tendency to boss others around. Oscar Onion, tough on the surface but cried at the smallest inconvenience. The garden games had 3 challenges: speed, strength, and brainpower. Challenge 1, Speed. The first challenge was a relay race. Speedy Strawberry zoomed to the front. "I'll win this for us," he bragged. But when he handed the baton to Berry Banana, things got slippery, literally. Berry slipped, tumbling into a pile of mud, and the team groaned. "Berry!" Carla Carrot scolded. "Next time, focus." "I'm sorry," Berry said, peeling himself out of the mud. Penny Pineapple stepped in. "Let's stick together next time," she said, offering her spiky hand. Challenge 2, Strength. The second challenge was tug-of-war against the rival team, the Junk Food Junkies. Buff Broccoli and Carla Carrot took the lead, pulling with all their might. But when they started losing ground, Penny Pineapple and Tommy Tomato jumped in to help. "Come on, everyone," yelled Oscar Onion, tears streaming down his face. His dramatic sobbing distracted the Junk Food Junkies, giving Team Freshville the edge they needed to win. Challenge 3, Brainpower. The final challenge was a riddle. "I am round, I am sweet, I come in a pie. What am I?" The team huddled. "It's an apple," said Tommy Tomato. "No, a pumpkin," argued Carla Carrot. Penny Pineapple tapped her spiky head. "Why not both? Let's say pumpkin first, then apple if we're wrong." Their strategy worked. Pumpkin was the right answer. At the award ceremony, Mayor Banana praised the team. "You've shown that fruits and vegetables are better together. Teamwork and appreciating each other's strengths are the keys to success." The fruits and vegetables cheered, laughing together for the first time. And from that day on, Freshville became the friendliest garden in the world, where fruits and vegetables worked together in harmony. Moral of the story: teamwork and appreciating differences can lead to a successful and happy community.